This is how to make some super easy and really good pizza. It's very cheap, but I use this pita bread and I put it down with the toasty side down. Get some crushed tomatoes. This is the brand I use. About 2 scoops on each one. Rub it around, almost to the edge. I know this isn't a mechanic video, but I make these all the time and I like it as much. I like New York style pizza the best, and I like it as much as ordering from like a good New York restaurant. And for the price, these pita breads, 4 of them are $2.99. The can of sauce is 99 cents, and then you need the low moisture mozzarella and some pepperoni and your little seasonings, and that's it. So I do just a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now we got our cheese. Sorry for the camera work. Okay. We've got the pepperoni. This ought to be fun with one hand. I like a lot of pepperoni on mine. They only take about 5 minutes to cook. I'm in a camper right now, and I just put mine all the way up as high as it'll go. I have no idea what temperature that is. Somewhere around 400, 450, something like that. You want it to cook the top fast without burning the bottom. It works out pretty good. Oven's preheated. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. I like to put a little basil. This is dried but fresh. Well, freeze-dried basil, and I like mine a little sweet, and this gives it that sweetness. Just sprinkle it on. The Italian seasoning's got some basil in it, but I like a little more. Alright, see you in about 5 minutes. Alright. Looking about done to me. Look at that. And this crust, this pita bread, for whatever reason, it's got the same kind of texture and chew as like your your restaurant New York style pizza. Like, to me, this feels like and tastes like I'm eating from a really good New York pizza restaurant. Super easy. And then the pan, you can just throw the foil away. You don't need that. There's no dough mixing. You reuse your bag of pepperoni, and that's it. About to make a couple more. We'll get in the back. I usually do a little more cheese and I cook it a little bit longer, but I didn't want my video to stop because I had it on pause, and I don't know how long it'll stay like that for. Later.